Treasure Online Marketing presents Introduction to Digital Marketing. In this video we are going to talk about the various aspects of digital marketing. We are going to cover two things here. 1. The methods of digital marketing, and 2nd, the benefits of digital marketing. We will try and understand why digital marketing is so important. That is, because a lot happens over internet every day. Let's take a look at some stats. What happens on the web every minute? More than 6 lakhs Facebook status updates every minute. 79,000 wall posts and 500,000 comments are posted every single minute. More than 58,000 tweets are posted over Twitter. Not only this, but 600 plus videos are added over YouTube. Along with that, 600,000 search queries on Google. 168 million emails are sent every minute. That's quite a lot that happens. Now let's see what happens every minute on mobile platform. Nearly 2 lakh minutes of Angry Birds played. 463 mobile transactions happen in Europe every minute. 23,000 apps are downloaded from the Apple Store. Now let's take a look upon various digital marketing methods. First is search engine optimization. 2nd, search marketing. 3rd, social media optimization. 4th, mobile marketing. 5th, affiliate marketing. 6th, banner ads and email marketing. What is search engine optimization? When you visit Google and search for some query, certain amount of results are displayed. As shown in the highlighted box, these websites are ranked through search engine optimization. Some factors for better SEO ranking are, the age of your domain, that is age of your website matters a lot. Along with that, your website's page title, headings, and overall content and feel of the website help you to get you on the top of the search queries. Link building is also an important factor that builds relevance. Now let's see what search engine marketing is. When you Google up your query, you notice the links on the top, and especially on the right. These are the advertisements which are called search engine marketing ads. But what are the benefits of search engine marketing? First thing is you get instant leads, that is if you have a brand, product, or a service to offer, you can advertise in 5 minutes. There is a lot of flexibility, because you can decide and fine-tune your budget. Along with that you can target your audience on the basis of their needs and their graphical locations. Also, it's quite cost effective, because you only pay when the click on the advertised link happens. What is social media optimization? Social media optimization means publishing your brand or service on various social networking platforms, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other blogs. But what are the benefits of social media? First thing is, content you share can go viral in short time, and this way your brand can target a large number of audience. You get to access a large base of people on social media. For example, Facebook and Twitter have over 1 billion active users worldwide. Your consumers actually become your brand ambassadors on social media. Now let us see what is affiliate marketing and e-commerce. When your website has a heavy footfall, you can offer other website owners to advertise on your website and get paid for it. That is where you have ad spots on your website, where other advertisers advertise their products and services. But how can you benefit from affiliate marketing? As you can see on this page, the ad blocks, where you can sell your products on others' website. Banner ads are those ads which are displayed on the top of a website. As you can see this banner ad on YouTube homepage. Banner ad has a lot of benefits, as it can get you a lot of customers. What is email marketing? Email marketing is emails which you receive about brands, products, and services. Major benefits of email marketing are, you can send real-time messages. It's quite cost-effective as well. You can also send personalized messages. And of course the information spreads a lot faster than you can even imagine. You can have more frequent communications about your products and services with your customers. What is mobile marketing? As you can see, that world mobile population is nearly 7 billion. There are a lot of factors that help in mobile marketing, such as SMS, rich media, games, and applications, IVR and voice SMS. Some important things: keep in our traffic from all the above methods come to your site. That needs to be visually aesthetic and serve the visitor's purpose. Secondly, a web analytics package can help analyze the traffic trends on a site, and hence can help take website-related decisions. Thank you for watching. That's all about this session.